In this video, we will look at how to post a doctor's profile on the IMA Cochin Job Bank. Go to imacochinjobbank.com website, and in the menu button that appears on the top left, the three horizontal lines or the sandwich button is also called the menu button. If you click on it, there's a section for doctors, there's a section for institutions. So if you're a doctor, you could click on for doctors, and then you could either view the available vacancies by clicking on viewing the available vacancies, and you can scroll down and see if you can find a vacancy that suits you. You go back to the main menu. If you want to post your data, you have to register first, and you click on doctor's registration. You can put your name. So let me put my name as a demonstration. You can opt for your name to be shown as in public view, yes or no. If you do not wish your name to be shown, you can just scroll to no and then keep it there, and then you can put in your address. So as of now, we'll just use a test address. You can also opt for your address to be seen in public, yes or no. You can click either yes or no. So we'll click yes for that. Your qualification, again, we'll put a test message there, testing purposes only. Experience in years, we'll put 3. And to write something, again, I'm going to put a test message there. And put in your email. And put in your phone number. And you have to put in RLQ894, and then you hit submit. And once you hit submit, the system gives you your username and your password. Take a screenshot and keep it with you, and then you could log in using your email, the same username. And if you use your, there you go, it is YCG4QM7X. YCG4QM7X. So I'm going to put that in. So I've gone inside. Now I have the option of updating my biodata. I can change my profile from active to blocked, and I can change any of this information as I want. So that is the biodata, and you can actually change your phone number if you wish. You can put in a different number. You can change in your email. You can change any aspect of your profile. So as you log out, if you go to the home page, you will see a profile that's already listed for the hospitals to see. So I'm going to click now on the institutions tab and view the doctors list, and you will see the profile that I just posted. You see this? It says this is for testing purposes only. You see the number and you see my email. Now I can go back. I can log in using the same email. YCG. And once I log in, I can go back, update my biodata, and I can change my password to blocked. Now, if I do that, let's say you've you update the profile. Let's say you found a job. You don't want your profile to show up on the screen anymore. You go to the same page that you visited before. You view the doctor's list. See that profile has vanished, so you don't see that profile anymore. So here's how you use the job bank. You can go to the home page at any time, and you can see what the job bank is about. You can go to the frequently asked questions. It will tell you what the job bank stands for. Remember, this is not a verified profile. It basically functions as a bulletin board where doctors and employers can post their requirements. And the same thing applies to institutions. So you can actually post your vacancies. You can log in as a recruiter or an HR department using the same methods that I showed you before. So that's pretty much it. You can keep changing your profile. You can update your biodata. Just keep your password safe. You can always go back and log in and change your password into something more familiar. something more simple, and keep your password in a safe place. And if you're not able to remember your password, you can always put in your email, and the system will give you your password on the screen. All right. So share this job bank with your colleagues. This job bank is customized for doctors from the Kerala area, and it can be replicated by Indian Medical Association branches of any state in India. And the idea is to connect doctors with available jobs. All right. Thank you again. Greetings from Indian Medical Association, Cochin Chapter. This is Dr. Rajeev Jayadevan, President, IMA Cochin Chapter, with Dr. Ramesh Shenoy, Vice